Today, 22 Stories is looking forward to catching up with Ali Faraz, 23-year-old nutrition consultant who went from losing 55 kgs to flaunting an 8-pack. So, we're going to find out a little more about fitness and nutrition from him today. So, Ali, tell us, what is your definition of fitness?
See, fitness for me is being able to run a mile in 10 minutes. Anyone can have, bulging biceps and stuff like that, but to run and, to not get tired when you're climbing the stairs and stuff like that, that's my definition of fitness. Just being all around fit, not just, having muscles and stuff like that.
Okay, so would you say a diet is more important or a fitness regime?
Well, to be honest, they both complement each other, but if I had to choose one, I would go for dieting because at the end of the day, there's only so much calories you can burn with fitness or whatever. But with the proper diet, at least you stay healthy.
So tell us a little more about Nutrition Freak.
Well, Nutrition Freak is a company that I started, and it's from. I always had this problem when I started. Okay, I didn't know the right people to go to. I could not go to the. I always had misguidance and stuff like that. I had to learn everything on my own. So I thought, if I know so much now, why don't I come up with something that will help other people out? So that's how I got the idea. And so far we've been getting good success.
So you went from what 130 kgs to an 8-pack? How did that happen?
Well, it took a lot of hard work and a lot of determination, to be honest, but it was worth it in the end. I used to work out quite a bit. There were times when I was working out 6 hours a day as well. I remember working out like 3 hours in the morning, 3 in the evening, and to be honest, I enjoyed every minute of it.
Great. So, what is your take on steroids?
Steroids, I absolutely despise them. I think you should never fuck around with your body's natural, what do you say, chemical structure or whatever. Steroids will do that a lot.
Okay. And so, tell us about someone you think is really fit and other people should emulate.
Well, it depends. I used to like this guy. I mean, he was the master of Bruce Lee. Basically, he was called Ip Man. And I remember I saw a picture of him. And this guy was standing. He was 80 years old, and he was standing on one leg. And four people, tied a rope on his leg and tried pulling him, and he did not budge at all. So I think that's fit.
Wow. And you've seen 300, right?
Yes, I have.
Tell us a little bit about your take on Gerard Butler's fitness regime.
Well, I know a bit about that. The 300 workout, as they say, or whatever. I incorporated a lot of, tire workouts, a lot of hamstring workouts. Basically, they didn't just focus on old school bodybuilding. They had a functional training as well, so they could jump around more and stuff like that. They focus on plyometrics, so basically the jumping and stuff like that. So it gives you a better core, a stronger core. They didn't just walk and they didn't do mindless hours of crunches and stuff like that. They walked the entire body. That's what I appreciate about the entire workout.
Wow. Okay, now we're gonna have a rapid fire round where you'll have to be frank and honest and candid.
Absolutely.
If you're ready for it.
Absolutely, go ahead.
Okay, tell us who in Hollywood and Bollywood has the fittest body.
Well, in males, Rahul Dev. In Bollywood, no comparison. His aesthetic physique is just beautiful. And in Hollywood, I would go Ryan Reynolds. I think he has a good physique.
Right. And do you frequent restaurants in Hyderabad?
I do.
Would you recommend one as having a very healthy?
I absolutely do not recommend any restaurant in Hyderabad. See, Hyderabadis as a culture itself are quite foodie. We don't have healthy restaurants by a long shot.
Okay. And what according to you is a healthy cuisine then?
Japanese cuisine is quite healthy. They avoid any and all masalas. They eat a lot of vegetables and clean carbs and clean protein and stuff like that. So I think their cuisine is quite healthy. So they eat fresh every day.
Okay. Again, supplements or a natural diet?
Natural diet. See, supplements at the end of the day are supplements. They're supposed to supplement your natural diet.
Yeah.
This is misconception I've been seeing in people all over, all the time I speak to. Some of my clients have the misconception that only protein or eating protein will give you big muscle, but it actually will not, because it's supposed to supplement your diet, not be the whole and soul protein in your diet.
And another thing, you must have heard of vegan diets, right?
I have actually.
Do you think that someone can be fit?
Absolutely. As long as they get the adequate protein and carbohydrate requirements, there's no reason they could not be fit. They will not be as bulky as I am right now, but yes, they'll be fit. So you need a lot of protein to bulk up, but apart from that, they'll be fit.
Okay. Who's your sexiest woman?
Where?
I would say anywhere. It could be someone you know or a celebrity.
She knows who she is. Yeah, just keep it at that.
Okay, you know who you are. All right. Sex or food?
That's a tough one.
Tough one.
I would have to go for food because I couldn't have sex with any stuff.
Smart. All right. What turns you on in a woman?
Confidence. Hands down. The only thing that turns me on is confidence. I don't care about her looks. That's all secondary. If she's not confident about who she is, there's no way in hell I can talk to her.
Great, great. Thank you so much. We had such a wonderful time talking to
Absolutely.
you. I hope everyone who's watching this will take away something from it. We've learned so much about, what kind of diet works, what kind of fitness regime works, and I hope that you all have had a great time. Thank you for
I
watching.
know I have.